would describe AS Vienna as a community of learners with the emphasis definitely on community. It's a warm, welcoming place where people go out of their way to make you feel a part of the community, and we're small enough that everyone gets to know everyone, whether that's teachers and each other, teachers and parents, students K through 12. We do a lot as an organization to foster the community here, and I think that's really powerful.
The reason my family came to this school is really about the size of the school. It's one of those schools that I would describe as a small school with big school opportunities, which means for my son, who's in the middle school, there's lots of athletic opportunities, there's lots of performing arts opportunities, there's lots of community service opportunities, and it's all bound within a quality education. So I would describe it as the kind of place where it's great to be a kid, and the children here have a wide variety of opportunities and experiences. Like all great schools, there's just way too much for one student to experience in a single day.